Hi, I'm Anne Conway, and as indicated by my blog, I just wanted to demonstrate what I learned using Adobe Captivate on how to create a screencast simulation with webcam. And so initially what I've done here is I've gone to the Adobe e-learning website, and as you can see there's a number of references here that I've talked about within the blog. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on tutorials. This is what I did when I first came in. I very arrogantly assumed that I'd be able to master Adobe Captivate very quickly, and what I learned is there's just so much to learn within the application itself that it would probably take me over a year in order to get completely familiar with how to build e-learning modules within the system at a advanced level. Anyway, what I did in order to start to learn the software under tutorials, notice that there's a section here that talks about getting started. There's an introduction to Captivate, what's new, how to create a PowerPoint and convert it to interactive video, how to create responsive projects. What that's about basically is that when you first get started, it allows you to select this option so that whatever e-learning you do create will adapt to the size of the screen of whoever's watching it, whether that's on a mobility device or computer. So having said all that, none of these is really what I'm after. What I'm really looking for is these feature training videos, and I want to view all the videos because I want to get to the spot where I learned how to create this recording. So, under all videos, notice there's an introduction to the Captivate user interface. Actually, within the blog, you'll see some instruction from me on how I got started after I opened the application. I picked video demo and new in order to record this. And then from here, I went on the website to screencast and simulations, and this is a lovely video demo. I'm not going to play the entire thing, but I do want you to see up to a given point exactly what it is that I noted and how to do this. So I'm just going to press play and be quiet for a second.
In this video, let's learn how to create a combination video screen capture and webcam capture based e-learning course in 30 minutes or less. You will need the following 4 simple steps to create a combination screen and web capture for e-learning course. Step 1 is to record a new video demo in Adobe Captivate 2019. Step 2 requires you to configure your video capture dialog. Then you simply describe something while showing it on your computer. You can use this method to explain software, narrate a PowerPoint, or describe anything that you can show on your computer screen. And finally, you can publish your finished course. Let's start with the first step. Go to File, Record a New Video Demo. A dialog box will appear. In the second step, you will configure the capture settings for your video capture. The upper section of this dialog will allow you to configure the source and size of your screen capture. First, select Screen Area if you want to capture more than one application on the screen at one time. If you only plan to record a single application, select the Application option, and then select the specific application from the drop-down menu. The next section allows you to set panning and audio details for your recording. For this exercise, we will leave panning set to No Panning. Change the audio setting to select the microphone that you plan to use for recording. If you want to record audio from the computer itself, check the System Audio box. Next, click the Record button to start recording. You will see a 3-second countdown, and then the recording will begin. During Step 3, you will narrate aloud as you demonstrate or describe something on your computer screen. Captivate will record everything you do and the images that appear on your screen, along with a view of your webcam and the audio of your narration. When the recording is complete, it will appear in a preview for your convenience. Use the play button to preview your saved screen and webcam capture. Finally, you may either edit your finished combination capture or simply publish it as is. To publish your project, Just click the Publish button on the lower right-hand side of the preview screen. Let's explore the editing tool.
I'm just going to stop that there. So that gives you an insight into how I was able to create this. So I'm going to end this lovely little tutorial and publish it as per the instructions onto a YouTube channel that I had to learn how to create in addition to doing a screencast and simulation. So I hope that you know, you'll have the ability obviously to go back in time throughout the video clip in order to review what has been discussed. I've laid out the instructions in my blog step by step on how best to do this, and you'll notice that some of the settings that I selected are slightly different. And I hope you enjoyed this video that I needed to create in order to fulfill my end of my assignment choice, which was how to learn how to do something using Adobe Captivate. Thank you very much.